Oh, Karen, look at that. Let's see if I can get close to him. Thank you, buddy, for going on camera. Wow, beautiful. Karen, what's that?
That's puppy. Look like Roxy. No tail too. Oh my God, that's Roxy. Look like when she is a puppy.
All right, the Nene Put has sat on the Nene Put motorcycle, and we're about to go. Here we go. Oh, you got it? All right. This motorcycle is running pretty good. It's got new clutch plates. It's got a new cylinder. Brakes have recently been worked on.
The bib I am not using is
It needs to be used a lot, Karen. We got to clean the rust off your spokes, oil it. We left this one sitting next to the Bonica River the whole time we were in Masbate. I did have some oil on it, but the rain washed it off, but it protected it to some degree.
This is the new puppy of Poco, James. Hi. With ala color brown. James, Poco's puppy. Nino?
Roxy's sister?
Yeah. Different color.
Cute.
I
They want to taste the straight. So we are here now, guys, in the mountain in my parents' house, and James have a lot of fruits for James here.
Good, I'm starving.
We have pineapple, we have santol, we have papaya, then more papaya for James. They know you're sick, you need to eat all of that.
It's true.
What do you want, papaya?
Papaya. Very good.
It's so nice here, guys.
Get some seeds. Let's
Yeah.
plant some papayas.
Maybe this puppy want also. There's a kuya having a carabao.
Has he got corn? What's he bringing down the mountain?
Maybe corn.
That's what we need to do. We need to grow corn.
Taste test. Mm. Carabao, guys. Let's see.
It's good, Karen.
Carabao on the cart. Tasty? Sweet? I'll try this sample, guys.
Karen, what's that?
That's puppy. Look like Roxy. No tail too. Oh my god, that's Roxy. Look like when she is a puppy. Come here. No tail also, James. It looked like Roxy before. No tail. Santol, guys. Let's try. This is how we open santol, James. Look at me. You like this your hand. Use your knee to help your arms, and then look at the inside. You want
Not for
santol?
dogs, Wade.
I'll let James taste it.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Tasty like an orange.
Carabao like it.
Carabao?
And cows.
It's good.
I'll taste this one
Very
here.
umami.
Also. Tata is not starving here in the mountain. People said, oh, your father is alone there. Look at what he's eating, guys.
He's eating better than we are.
This is our 2 turkeys, guys. You want? They want it. They're eating it. Because it's sweet. Hey, guys. That's the male, guys, and this is the female. And here we have also a rabbit named Gray. This is our only one rabbit here in the mountain, because we give already some in our brother-in-law also, guys. This is Gray. She like here outside better than in her cage at the back of the house. The santol is so tasty, guys. Look at our fruits here in the mountain. We have suha, huge one. Then we have a lot of santol. That is the santol, guys. A lot of fruits, all ripe. No one climb here. Let's zoom in, guys, so that you can see the santol we have. That's a lot there. No one climb, only my father, guys. And we have also here a sour sop. We have a sour sop too. There's a lot there of fruits. We have mulberry, Indian mangoes, banana, miracle fruit. A lot here. You're not starving here, guys, if you are living in the mountain. Nana is getting calamansi also. A lot. We have a green orange dalandan there. That is different than citrus, guys. Calamansi. That is different from calamansi. Abaw, mahugog ka na eh. Doon na lang.
What kita abot ato itag 63 nga to.
Nanay getting calamansi. Your
Is that
favorite.
corn or copra?
That is copra. Coconut. 50 per kilo. More calamansi.
We're gonna help with the cayenne a little bit. Make videos about the rest.
And let's go here, guys, in our guava. Tata is not eating guava, guys. If I am here, I'm always eating guava. Look at this. Here. I think this is ripe already, guys. This is my favorite. The smell so good. Here, guys. I'll eat this while we are harvesting rice later. Ay! There's insect eating it. This one is good. I'll bring some in Aranas in our house to eat, guys. I just put here. Yeah. James is busy talking to my cousin about farming because James talking about corn. Because James want to buy the corn and share it to other people. Especially my cousin that know how to plant. This one is okay, I think. I want not very ripe, guys. Here we have. We have citrus.
Thank you.
Nana is giving to my cousin some.
Here, what do you call these? I forgot. Langdon?
Dalandan.
Delendan.
Yeah,
Those are good. I like those.
yeah. That is like orange but green.
What's this one?
Guava. Don't step
Oh,
there.
it's a guava.
I am getting it.
You like guava, huh?
Yeah. But I cannot reach. I am too short.
That's what we need when we have the fever, huh?
Yeah.
Roxy Indy.
If you have fever,
That's Poco.
if you have fever, you need to eat guava. This is high in vitamin C. Yeah. And here. Yeah. I like santol and guava.
Yeah, I feel like I could eat that right now. I think it would make me feel better.
Yeah. The carabao and most of the fruits that carabao like, I want also. Maybe maybe that's the sign that I have the
You
same
gotta be
species.
careful. The trolls will start calling you Karen Bao again.
No, it's okay. I am the one who started it.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's your fault?
When we're a kid and we don't have basket, we put in our.
Yeah, me too. Usually apples, pears, things like that.
I like guava, especially it's not very ripe like this. That's very tasty.
Mm.
You want them? And then I have dalandan.
Yeah, those are really good. I could use that. That'll make
Because
me feel
this is
better.
the season of fruits.
Oh, Karen, look at that. See if I can get close to it. Thank you, buddy, for going on camera. Wow, beautiful.
She like camera.
Yeah.
Beautiful black butterfly, no?
Wow, that's nice.
Nanay's orchid is beautiful also. That is santan. That's what we call it.
Santan?
That is for pens, James.
We should plant some of that. The butterfly really likes it.
I am eating it, the juice.
That? Really?
Hmm.
It's sweet? No wonder.
Like this.
Nectar, okay. Then I said nectar, right?
Anong nectar, Nay?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
James.
Oh,
Sweet.
well, I believe it. That's why the butterfly is. He's ignoring us. He doesn't even care that we're there because it's so sweet. All right.
Look at Tatay's
Nice.
It's chili.
Cayenne?
It
Planted in a bag, huh?
yeah.
So it's not drowning in the...
So this is my cousin's copra, guys. Copra is a came from coconut that we are selling it. Only the inside part of the coconut, not the shell. We're selling it expensive here in the province, like per kilo is $1. This is our way going to our farm, and as you can see here in the left side, there is a cute carabao. That's our carabao, guys. That's James and I's carabao that we bought from my father. That cost 50,000 pesos. That's her. That's Princess. We give her name, guys, Princess. She's a female. So maybe soon, guys, our princess ready to breed soon. She's 2 years old already, and her mother have a new calf. It's a color white carabao. I didn't see them already, guys, because we're so busy. That's Princess, to those people who don't know, our first carabao here in the province. This is our rice field, guys. Look at this. We have a ripe rice now. From green and it turned to color brown. Nana is here. And I don't know where's Tatay. Tatay is another part, guys. We are very careful here. Maybe the coconut will fall in our head. We have okra here too. Okra. There's our okra here. This is what we are using to cut the rice, guys. You'll just like this. Very easy. Like that, guys. It's very easy. Now, we called it kayog. I don't know in English. It's in Aklanon, guys. Kayog. When I was a kid, guys, I'm the only one. I am helping also my parents to harvest it, and when it's ripe, I'm the one who take care also, because there's a lot of sparrow here, and I am using the rope that have plastics, and I am shaking it so that they will fly. Let's go here. There's a bahay kubo here, guys. Oh, cute bahay kubo. You can see from here the beautiful view. Yeah, they have kaingin, but they are done already harvesting, guys. They already harvested their rice early. And look at how beautiful the view here. That's our neighbor, and that rice is from us. This is the boundary, this bamboo. Wade is there to the house of neighbor. Wade, come here. Tay. I want to walk there, but unfortunately there's a lot of tall grass already. The rice is taller than me already. This is the best place for me, guys. There's a lot of food here. You won't starve. There's a coconut, there's a rice, there's a lot of vegetable, bananas, fruits, papayas. Everything you need is here already, guys. If you are not lazy, you will be healthy. This is our wealth here in the province. There's a lot of banana also. My father and my mother plant a lot of farm of saging there. Not only here, guys. There's hundreds of bananas in other place. This is what we call saba banana. This is a different variety, guys. We have a lot of variety of banana here. Seems that there's a rain. You wanna try, James? Harvest, James? That we have a kayog here. This is the kayog. James, you like this?
But I'm afraid I might choose one that's green.
No, the brown one. Here, come here, James. That's very easy. This insect here.
Show me what kind. This one?
Don't like this, be like this, like this, James. Just give a handle. Yeah. Wow. How you do it? Show people. You can be a farmer in the Philippines already, James. You know how to harvest kaingin. Kayug. Say kayug.
Kayug. You call this a kayug?
Kayug.
Okay.
Oh, more pa.
Oop, starting to rain.
More pa. Until here. Ayan ay magbaliw. This rice variety, James, is magbaliw.
Magbayo.
Magbayo. Magbaliw. Magbayo have different meaning. Magbayo means punch. Magbaliw. See, magbaliw.
Magbayo.
Liw. Liw. How you pronounce L-I-W?
Yeah.
Liw.
They're like new?
Liw. Liw. Yeah. Magbaliw.
Okay. Magbayo.
Yeah.
Magbayo. Alright.
A lot pa, James. You need to harvest until there pa.
It's a lot.
That's very nice. This rice is very, the smell is like perfume
Yeah, it's a good rice.
when you eat it. Very fragrance.
Very fragrant, very tasty.
A lot of sparrow eating it. That's our problem, guys. Before we harvest, is the sparrow already harvest the half of it.
I see them.
Yeah. But we're not alone, guys. We have a lot of neighbor that there's a kaingin also, or upland rice. That is good. That is good. Firewood.
Yeah, it is.
Very easy to make a fire.
Try seasoned firewood. Seasoned this way.
Yeah. I saw Poco earlier.
Poco?
Yeah. She's here. Hi.
Hello. Hello, little dog. Let's pack them.
The garage. It's nice house. It's rainy, guys. James, let's run. Can you run?
No.
James is not feeling well still, guys. We have virus still. Can you imagine, James, bringing your product from there
No.
and then until here carrying? That's what they are doing. They are carrying.
I'd have to use a drone.
Wow, to carry. They cannot use motorcycle either. They don't have choice. When they are building house, they need also to carry sand, cement.
Not good.
There's not a lot of people already using this road, guys. There's a lot of tall grass already. This is the road that I am using before when I go to school, and before it's a lot of people. That's why this is very clean. Nowadays people are using motorcycle. That's why I am walking from our house until town. And I want to show you guys my uncle's rice field here. This is my uncle's rice field. They have a lot of cassava. This is what I told you earlier, guys. The rope that have plastics that we are touching or shaking so that the sparrow won't stay or eat the like this. If there's a sparrow over there, you'll just use this to shake so that they will fly. This is for sparrow, James. We use a rope and we shake it. Tata usually build me a small bahay kubo so that I can stay there, and those rope connected to the bahay kubo so that even I'm sleeping, it's very easy for me to get up and shake it. Very easy. Tatay like it. Uncle, there's no weeds.
Yeah.
Very healthy. That's the town, guys, of Balete, where we always buy our food. The market is there, the church, it's complete there. Very nice. This is my uncle's firewood. This is we usually use to cook food, but my mother is not allowed already to use that, guys, because she have a pneumonia and the doctor prohibited already that firewood for her. This is white, guys, my uncle's rice field until there. So it starts raining, guys. James and I will go back to our house. We will update you day 1, day 2 of harvesting of rice in the province.
This is beautiful. I love this. Uncle Nonoy did this?
Yeah, Uncle Nonoy
Wow.
and Lola.
Wow.
It's
Lola
nice.
and Lola.
Yeah, that's what they are always doing, weeding, even it's raining.
It's not just, this isn't just farming. This is a work of art. It's so beautiful.
Yeah,
Wow. Do we have any battery power left?
I think in drone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I heard someone talking. James, there's a rain now. James, let's go back, James. You can fly drone there on Bahay Kubo.
We can do it tomorrow.
Rain is not good, guys. Rain contain acids, I think, that cause sometimes cough, cold.
No.
No, that's real.
No.
That's real. That's why we are always using hat or umbrella. That's so beautiful. That is the tallest land here in Cortes, Barangay Cortes, guys. That's my grandmother's land. There's a nice butterfly here. Color yellow. Whew. Whew. I asked James, guys, if what if we have horse here, and James answered me it's perfect place for the horse. Banana. We have a good quality of grass here. Food. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good. Really awesome.
This all the beans. These beans really good, guys. The cows really like it. This is the peanut plant that my rabbit want to eat. Always. My father and my mother is not here now, guys. Maybe they go home. They are there. They transfer. They have umbrella. No bueno. No bueno, ano, rain.
Beautiful, wow. So beautiful. Uncle Nonoy and Lola, they're good farmers. Artists too. That's so beautiful.
Yeah. That's the secret of my grandmother's long life.
Yep. Wow.
I wish, you know what's this place makes perfect? You know what?
No.
The road. Concrete road.
Concrete road. You get a lot
Road.
of visitors from the lowland though.
No, what I mean is if you have a product,
Yeah.
it's very easy. You just put in motorcycle, bring in the town. It's very easy. Here is
Then
you
you
need.
don't need a Carabao. What
you
fun
need-
is that?
What I mean?
Princess won't have a job.
No, in rice field.
Oh,
She
only
still
in the rice
have-
field. She won't get to walk down the scenic trail anymore.
Yeah, in the rice field.
How is Princess? Did you talk to her?
Yeah, I talked to her earlier. I introduce her to our new viewers here. That is our first Carabao.
Oh, wow, Karen. How are we going to ride her? Look how dirty she is.
You can ride with that situation.
Oh, Princess, you are dirty with the Carabao.
Na,
Oh.
yeah. At least the mosquito cannot bite her. She can protect
Is that what
herself.
you're trying to do, Princess?
Yeah. The mosquito always biting Carabao, guys. They are sucking the blood. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, I'd stay on the mountain, but Karen wants to go back down to Aranas. And I'm in no condition to argue with her because I've got a fever and I don't think we have any ibuprofen up here or aspirin. I'm going to try Ray's aspirin powder when I get home. Ray in the Philippines left me some headache/fever medicine, so I'm going to give it a try. I'll let you know how it works. Now we got to negotiate down this muddy hill with a pretty good fever. So if I slip here, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm just not myself today. Karen doesn't have mud tires on her bike. She ought to. But she don't listen. She don't want them. They make a little bit of vibration when you go down a concrete road, so she doesn't want the vibration. But you're much more likely to slip here when you get up to this clay. Alright, she got it going. Cold, wet engine. Attitude mode? Maybe there's water in the spark plug boot. Check your spark plug boot. Take it. There's no water? Huh?